This is going to be a tortoise shell tutorial nail art video, and we're going to start off with doing our nail prep and getting our form ready. So what I'm doing here is what we call the Batman cut, and I'm cutting these slices on the side of the form, and you'll see it resembles Batman's head. I'm going to pinch the two tabs and tear the little perforated tab, and that just helps us line up the C curve. And then once we slide it underneath our nail's free edge and make sure it's tight, we're going to go ahead and press those tabs together. I'm going to go ahead and mix a little bit of brush on builder with art form and get like a orange transparent builder gel here. I'm also going to get brown and black gel ready on the side because we're going to use that later with the blooming gel. So here I'm applying the free edge to the nail and connecting it to parts of my nail bed and curing that. And then I'm going to apply another layer and cure that and remove the form. Then we're going to apply our blooming gel and apply the brown color and the black and have that bloom all over the nail. The brown color I'm using is Gelish Artwork in Progress, and the orange color that I mixed with the brush on builder, that is Art Form Neon Orange. So to build the apex of this nail, I am applying brush on builder, and then I hold the nail upside down so gravity will pull that brush on builder right to the center. When sculpting with gels, you definitely want to use a good quality gel, like the Gelish brush on builder is strong enough and it will hold for 3 weeks.